Good morning, dear students. Once again, I proceed your class. Students, in previous video, I discussed how will you construct parallel lines when a point is given outside a line. How will you construct a perpendicular lines on a line from external point of the line. Students, similarly, now in this class I am going to discuss here how will you construct the angles, some specific angle by using compass. Mainly for using instrument, mainly compass and ruler, and you have to construct all of the angle. So students, in this video mainly we discuss here how will you construct some specified angle. Here we construct angle 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. This type of angles, how will you construct? And I think when you understand, you easily construct in your notebook. So students, let's now start. Here, first construct an angle 60 degree by using pair of compass. By using compass. So students, for making an angle 60 degree, first of all draw a ray. Here, first of all draw a ray. Here O is end point of this, students, and here OB, here B. Now students, when you have to draw a 60 degree angle, first of all draw an arc of any radius with O as center. O as center. Draw an arc here. Students, after arc which intersect the ray at suppose N, and with N as center, without changing the width of compass, you cut the arc. Here arc will be cut at this point. Here this will be the 60 degree. One times without changing the radius of the compass, in one times it intersect 60 degree angle. So students, here when you put the compass, fix the compass at N and intersect this arc, then it will be 60 degree angle. Again, if you put the compass at this intersecting point and again cut the arc and join this point and this point, then ray will pass and angle formed is 160 degree. And again when you intersect, that means in 3 times it cover from here to here. Clear? So here 60, 120 and 180 degree will be formed. So here students, here first of all you have to construct angle 60 degree. So here end point and here construct this and join this and mark a point A on this way. Students, here AOB is the required angle, that means angle 60 degree. Clear students? Here it's a 60 degree angle. Now students, if you have to construct here 120 degree, here when you have to construct 120 degree, here first of all draw a ray, suppose its name AB here, and here again with any radius of any radius with A as center, draw an arc here, here draw an arc which now fix the compass here and draw the same radius arc which cut the previous arc at this point here one times, and again fix the compass at here and again cut the arc, suppose here intersect, and join this ray, and by using ruler this ray at this point here, this angle here, this angle is 120 degree. Clear friends? Here 60 degree and 120 degree angle is completed. Now students, if you have to construct 30 degree angle, that means students, first of all construct 60 degree angle and bisect the 60 degree angle. And how will you bisect? How will you draw a bisector of an angle? This will be discussed in previous video. If you didn't watch that video, must watch first previous video. How will you divide? Why? How will you bisect an angle? So friends, here when we have to construct angle 30 degree, suppose here we have to construct 30 degree. So first of all draw a line, an array, suppose AB. AB is array, and once again draw an arc, and here draw 60 degree angle. Here I draw 60 degree angle. Here suppose C. Here CAB. Here students, here suppose C, and angle CAB is equal to 120 degree. Now students, here CAB, here one times the arc is cut by the same radius. Here this is the 60 degree angle. Angle CAB is equal to 60 degree angle. And now students, you have to bisect. And what is the rule of bisecting? Expand the compass, or in previous compass, expanded compass, you put the compass here, fix the compass here, suppose here N, fix the compass at N and draw an arc with same radius, more than half of this arc. So students, here one, and from here another, and join this. Here this is the angle bisector of this angle, and that means angle is, suppose here D. So angle DAB is equal to 30 degree. Clear friends? How will you construct 30 degree angle? That means when you are required to draw a bisector, then bisect the angle, then you get required angle, then construct a bisector of that angle. Now friends, proceed to next question. Now construct an angle 90 degree. Here construct 90 degree angle. Here for constructing 90 degree angle, students, first of all draw array. Here I draw array, its name OA. OA is array. And students, again draw an arc of any radius without changing the expansion of the compass. Cut the arc at this point to point here. This from here to here, this is the 60 degree angle, and once here to here it's 120 degree. That means here 60 degree angle, and again this and this angle is 60 degree. When you draw two rays, then it will be 60 degree. When you bisect this 60 degree angle, that means 30 angles, it's part with 30 angle. That means when you draw here 30 degree angle and here 60 degree, 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. That means friends, first of all cut the arc here 60 degree and here 120 degree, and then bisect this angle. So friends, here with the same radius, fix compass here and draw an arc here in the above, and again draw the arc here. And now intersecting point and O join this ray. Students, here suppose this point is B. So angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, because here from here it's 60 degree and here 30 degree. That means students, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Clear? And now when you have to draw, construct here, construct 45 degree angle. That means, so students, first of all draw an 90 degree angle, and then you have to draw angle bisector. That means bisect the angle, and I think you know how will you bisect the angle. First of all, draw here, here OB, and draw an arc here, and here 60 degree, here 120 degree, here, and join this here. Students, here AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. And now students, here you have to bisect this angle. So students, fix the compass at N and draw an arc more than half of this arc. Students, here expand the compass and here draw an arc, and again draw an arc this, and join the intersecting point here. Students, this point here, suppose here D, and students, angle DOB or DOB equal to 45 degree, or students, here AOD, angle AOD is equal to 45 degree. Clear, students? Similarly, you can draw any angle by using compass, but some angles can't be drawn by using compass. Suppose 70 degree. 70 degree, when you have to draw 70 degree angle, it's a very difficult to construct by the using compass. It will be drawn by using protractor. Mainly, the angles in 15th table is easily drawn by using compass or ruler. So students, here now when we have to draw 22 hole 1/2 degree angles, then students, this the angle DOB is 45 degree, and when you divide 45 degree by 2, that means when you draw bisector of this angle, then you will get 22 whole 1/2 degree. That means 22 whole 1/2 degree. So students, when you draw, suppose I draw here, put the compass here, and more than half of the arc, draw an arc here, and put the compass, fix the compass here, and draw an arc, and join this point, intersecting point and O here, suppose P. So angle here, angle POB is equal to 22 whole 1/2 degree. Clear, friends? Similarly, you can draw 67 whole 1/2 degree. 67 whole 1/2 degree. How will you draw 1/2 degree angle? Students, first of all, draw a right angle. I think you know how will you draw a right angle. Here 60 and here 90 degree. Here this ray is 90 degree. Students, from here to here it's 60 degree. Here 60 degree. And when you draw bisector of this angle, that means you will get here, you bisect, first of all bisect this angle. Here you draw, here you draw this line. It is the bisector of the angle. Students, it's 45 degree angle. Here 45 degree angle from here to here. Now, students, when you bisect this angle, here its value is also 45 degree. Here 45 degree. And when you bisect this, students, here draw this angle and this way, and draw this. Students, from here to here, its value is half of 45 degree, but that means 22 whole 1/2 degree. From this and this angle, and students, when you add 45 degree plus 22 whole 1/2 degree, that means 67 whole 1/2 degree. That means students, single, suppose its name is D O and here B. So angle DOB is equal to 67 whole 1 by 2 degree. Clear students? Similarly, you can draw any angle by using compass. Now students, here a very important question is written on the board. Draw a rectangle whose adjacent side are 5 centimeter and 35 centimeter. That means in rectangle the opposite sides adjacent side is 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. For constructing this, students, first of all draw a ray. Here A and here B. Here A, and draw 5 centimeter. Expand the compass and cut the arc here B and hit the AB equal to 5 centimeter. First of all, draw AB equal to 5 centimeter. Again, students, from here draw a right angle. Here 60 degree, here 120 degree, and here when you draw here, this is the 90 degree angle. And students, now again from here at the point of B, again draw a 90 degree angle. Here 60 degree angle, 120 degree angle, here, and join it, it's 90 degree angle. Now students, here both this ray of 90 degree angle, measure the compass 3.5 centimeter by ruler and cut the arc. Here suppose cut this, and again from B cut it and join this point, this ray, this intersecting point. Here students, here C and here D. So in A, B, C, D is required rectangle. Here length of this, here 5 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, here 3.5 centimeter, and here 3.5 centimeter. Clear friends? Similarly, you can draw all of the question, you can construct all of the questions of your exercise 14B. So students, I think you easily complete your exercise 14B of Arsaval. So students, today's class is completed. That's all. Thank you.